Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technology Treasures. So in this video we will understand how to lock apps. So we will go to Galaxy Store, okay, and you have to search as secure. Okay, here you can see this is all the images of this. Okay, now let's see here. Here as secure app I have downloaded. Now I will on lock and mask app. Now what we will do, we will go to settings. Okay friends, wait 1 second, open your settings app and search advanced feature. Here I got it. Now open it and search lock and mask app and on it. Select your pin and password. I am setting the password 1230. Okay, confirm it. Now you can add your face, fingerprint, etc. Now let's see how to add apps. You can add apps like this. Here I am selecting my own app. Now at mass app you can it will hide all the notification. It will not show any notification. Okay, here you can see. Now this app is logged. Now let's see what happen if we write wrong password, what happen if we write correct password. Let's open this app. This app is opened from a fingerprint. Okay, face recognition. In previous video I have tell about face recognition. Now see here if I write wrong pin, what happens, and when I write correct pin, what happen. It open. So this was the today video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.